Oh, she stopped making noise. That's the way I was holding her. She's not making noise anymore. There we go.
She sounds like a toy. She sounds like a
Did
toy.
you get her little hat?
Yep.
She looks like a little toy. Like a little squeeze toy.
Because she squeaks.